In this video, I'll be reviewing the top 5 AI selected security cameras for 2023 in Australia. Let's get started on 5. Reolink Argus 3 Pro. The Reolink Argus 3 Pro is a great option for people who want a high-quality security camera. It has a 2K resolution, color night vision, and a built-in spotlight. It's also weatherproof and wireless. 4. Google Nest Cam Battery. The Google Nest Cam battery is a great option for people who want a smart security camera. It can be integrated with other Google Nest devices, and it has a variety of smart features, such as facial recognition and motion detection. 3. Eufy SoloCam S340. The Eufy SoloCam S340 is a great budget-friendly option. It has a 1080p resolution, color night vision, and a built-in solar panel. It's also weatherproof and wireless. 2. Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery is a great option for people who want a battery-powered camera. It has a 1080p resolution, color night vision, and two-way audio. It's also easy to install and can be mounted on a variety of surfaces. 1. Arlo Pro 4. The Arlo Pro 4 is a great all-around security camera. It has a 2K resolution, color night vision, and a wide field of view. It's also weatherproof and wireless, so you can install it anywhere on your property. Thanks for watching my video on the top 5 best security cameras for 2023 in Australia. I hope this video has helped you choose the right security camera for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.